What an amazing time to be alive. With the feeling of the pandemic behind us, life is getting back to normal. In summertime in Minnesota, we're blessed just to be here. Going for walks outside, spending times with family and friends, and beautiful sunsets at dusk, they're some of my favorites. Today I wanted to share a concept I recently published in LinkedIn about creating your own self-managed company. One where you're living the best life and your HR and financial items are in order to allow you the freedom to do your favorite activities. Feel free to share this with someone that might benefit from it. When you're around entrepreneurs today, you may hear some talk about something called self-managed company. This term comes from Strategic Coach, a community of business owners that I'm proud to say I've been part of for the past 10 years. So what does a self-managed company actually mean? In my view, it means creating a well-organized business that can run, be profitable, and serve clients even when the business owner is gone. In other words, the business won't miss a beat even if the business owner is fully away for a period of time, with no daily check-ins required. I was recently speaking with a good friend of mine in the construction industry who explained that he has finally reached the Holy Grail of self-managed company. Namely, he was able to be gone for the entire month while his business continued to function and grow. He was able to do this by putting the right who's in place, and he now is able to focus on other aspects of his business, exploring starting another or simply having more free time to enjoy. I believe this concept applies to families too. Just think about it. If you're currently working, have a nice career, and earn a good income, your plan should be to not have to do that someday. At some point in the future, at a time of your choosing, you'll be able to make a change and stop doing what you're doing now. And when it comes to that, you'll want to be a self-managed company as well. I've helped people do this just over the past 25 years, and it's fun to help them make this switch. However, it's not easy. It takes hard work, discipline, and time. To succeed, you must be putting in the effort to save at least 10% of your income over an extended length of time. And depending on your situation and age, you might need to put in more. After all, now is the time to build up your war chest for the longest vacation of your life. Once you've accumulated your war chest, you then need to create your own family version of a self-managed company. And you have to set it up correctly to make sure that you're never struck facing the following question: what if I have today doesn't last for a lifetime? I'll save this conversation for a different day, but keep in mind there are no do-overs. You must set up this sequence of income to yourself correctly to be sustainable for the long term. To go back to the self-managed company, once you stop working for others and the money starts to pay you back, that's your family's version of a self-managed company. In this version, your money works for you as hard as you did for it. But for this to happen, you need to first put the hard work in and get the money saved before you can launch your company. And whether you run yourself, the company, or have someone else run this company, there are a few things that you need to think about. From the HR standpoint, what kind of health insurance do you need? And how long do you have to deal with long-term care costs? From the budgetary standpoint, what's your monthly income versus expenses? Will you create goal-based buckets of money to draw on for future expenses like travel, gifting, and going out for dinner? Put the time in to set up your company correctly and to be the best CEO you can be. And if you have any questions or would like to find a wealth manager that can act as your family CFO and you need help to work toward these goals, please reach out anytime. Here's to making this the best year of your life.